Hey guys, Mark here with a portfolio update. Today is Thursday. Today the market has kind of been doing what it's been doing for the past couple weeks. We're in a really undecided territory. We're bouncing up and back doing the seesaw action. Nobody likes to see it unless you're really, really good at trading, but there's no obvious moves happening right now. Honestly, it's all just bets if you're making any sort of trades right now, in my opinion. But we're at 32,725, down $1,400 today. My 3 SPY calls are looking all right. I'm really hoping that this shorter term SPY call kind of heads in the other direction starting next week. Let's look at the S&P 500 right now. Today, seesaw action, up and down, and then a little bit of don't know what I want to do, and then back up. So we'll see what happens. But over the past week, a little head and shoulders. And for you, some of you guys that don't know some technical analysis terms, a head and shoulders is you see how there's a line that jumps up, and then there's the head, and then it's down. It's kind of like like a head and shoulders, but nothing is really bullish about that. But however, we're selling off, but the market really doesn't know what it wants to do right now. This is a 3-month. I really believe since yesterday, Jay Powell from the Federal Reserve had a conference and was getting asked a bunch of questions, and he was stumbling over his words, and the market reacted. People did not like it. He even used the word bubble, which scared a lot of people, but that doesn't really mean much, because then he followed up with saying he has much more ammo left if they were to need it. And I'm looking at the market right now, and I think that the market is just waiting for somebody to say, yes, we're going to stimulate the market, or no, we're not. But I really believe that there's no way that the Federal Reserve is going to, not even the Federal Reserve, but Trump leading up to the election is going to let this market tank. There's just no way. If that happens, man, that is not good. But I really highly doubt that it's going to tank in the months leading up to the election. If it does, that will be crazy, but I wouldn't put my money on it. However, the market is, I think it's really begging for some stimulus right now. People really want to get a stimulus in here, and I know that the Republicans and the Democrats are bouncing back and forth, but we're making some headway on some decisions, which is really great. Some of you maybe signed the petition that was sent to Nancy Pelosi and to Trump about how we want the American people are suffering, and they want people to stop playing political games, because there are literally people out here suffering right now. It's a crazy time right now, and we need some stimulus, not only for the market, but for people, small businesses. There's some crazy stuff happening out there, guys. I hope everyone's being safe and everybody's well, but I really believe that we're going to see some stimulus here soon. Whether it's a smaller bill or a bigger bill, it doesn't really matter. As long as we get some sort of stimulus, I really think the market will prop back up. And basically, once we hear some sort of decision is basically when I will create another position, whether if I'm going to buy in deeper, buy some calls, or what I'm going to do. But right now, I have 3 SPY contracts right now. They're not looking too hot right now, but that's okay. I really, they're out for the long term. Except for my September 25th, but it's not that bad. My break even's 340, and with how we've been seesawing back and forth, I wouldn't be surprised if I go pretty positive here in the next week. Probably not tomorrow, because usually Fridays are sell-off days, depending on Thursday. But like I said, we're so seesaw right now. The market doesn't know what it wants to do. We just want the Fed to say we're going to print lots of money and put it into the market. So we'll see what really happens. I mean, it's all kind of up in the air. We're waiting for resistance levels to get broken, and I don't really see it happening right now. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what the Fed wants to say, what Trump wants to say, what we're going to see happen here in the next few days. Well, that was a quick portfolio analysis for you guys. If you like this video, please give me a like. And this isn't financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. If you liked what the content I brought to you guys, give me a like, maybe subscribe, and thank you for the views. We're going to keep giving portfolio analysis. We're going to keep bringing content out to you guys. See you later. Bye.